How to open US bank account for non-residents. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to open a US bank account online as a non-resident. The platform that we'll be using in this example is Payoneer. And the reason why I would recommend Payoneer is it is quite easy to use. You'll also get access to a prepaid credit card, and by opening a Payoneer account, not only will you get access to US bank account, which is a Bank of America account, but you'll also be able to open bank accounts in basically any country worldwide. And also they have some of the lowest fees online. As you can see right here, you can check out their fees. So if you were to receive a transfer from another Payoneer customer, and by the way, there are numerous persons that use Payoneer, it will be completely free, and directly by your clients, you can see that they charge a small fee of 3%, and you can also directly link your Payoneer card or your Payoneer account to numerous marketplaces. For example, you can use it on Wish, Fiverr, Upwork, Airbnb. You can also use it on Amazon. So if you're planning to do some selling on Amazon, you can do that. And whether you're a freelancer that you works on Fiverr or so on, you'll be able to use Payoneer. So first we want to go onto Payoneer.com. Once on Payoneer.com, you may see it in Spanish. All you'll need to do is go up to the top right hand corner, and you'll simply tap on translate this page, and I want you to select English. After you have done that, you're going to tap on check in. Once you have tapped on check in, you're going to be prompted to go to this page, and all you'll need to do from here, you can select whether you're a freelancer, an online seller, an agency or digital marketing professional, or a vacational rental home host, or anything in particular. You can select any one of these options. So let's say I want to open an account as a freelancer. I could tap on that, then I could tap on take full advantage of Payoneer to send and receive global payments. So I'll tap on that. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do now is tap on check in. After tapping on check in, you're going to be redirected to a new page on which you can start signing up. So you're going to select individual, then you're going to scroll down and you're going to fill in your name, your last name, email address, then you're going to re-enter your email address, and you're going to add your birthday. And to add your birthday, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see birthday. Then from there you can tap on the date, and you can choose the date, and you can choose the month, as you can see right here, and you'll simply select it, and that's it. After you have done that, you're going to tap on I'm not a robot. After you have tapped on I'm not a robot, you will be redirected to a new page, and on this new page you're going to fill in your contact information. And by contact information, I mean that you're going to fill in your address. So you're going to fill in your address, and you're going to fill in some other basic information. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to another page which will give you some security data. So for example, you're going to fill in your driver's license, or you're going to fill in your government ID information. Once you have filled in that information, you'll be almost finished, and you are going to quickly finish the rest of information. Once you have done that, I'm going to show you how your dashboard is going to look and how you can quickly use it to do a transfer or start receiving payments. With the sign up process, this is how your dashboard is going to look. So you can see from the left hand menu option, you have the home icon. You can select to get paid, or you can select to pay someone, or you can do withdraw and transfer. But first, you may be wondering why you see 3 different account balances right here. As I was saying earlier, with Payoneer, you get access to numerous banks across the world. So for example, I have an US account. You can also see that I have an Australian account right here, and I also have a Japan account. And if I were to, for example, tap on get paid, you can see right here by tapping on receiving accounts, you can see request accounts. All I will need to do is tap on request accounts. Then from there you can see local receiving account, and you will simply tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you can select the country in which that you would like to receive the account. As you can see, there are numerous countries. Select the countries for which you would like local bank account details, and you can select any one of these countries, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, Canada. All I would need to do is tap on Canada. Then after you have done that, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page, and you will simply tap on submit request. After you have done that, you will see bank details for a Canadian bank account. It is as simple as that. And then you'll be able to use that bank detail to receive money or to do transactions. For example, if I were to tap on the Japan account right here, you can see the bank name, you can see the bank code, the branch code, and you can also see the account type. And this is completely legit, as this is my bank account number, as you can see right here. And this is also connected to Amazon. So it is quite easy to integrate numerous different platforms with Payoneer. So it doesn't matter what you're doing, whether you're doing e-commerce or you're just a person that needs a bank account in America or Canada or any country, you can use Payoneer. And after opening your Payoneer account, you can also request a prepaid card. And this prepaid card can be used at any ATM, so you'll be able to do transactions in anywhere worldwide. So it is definitely a plus, and it's quite easy to use Payoneer. For example, we can tap on pay. So if you would like to pay someone that has a Payoneer account, you can tap on pay to recipient's Payoneer account, or you could simply pay someone to their bank account if you want. You can also pay an Amazon advertising invoice, or you can pay VAT. Or if you would like to do a withdraw or transfer to a different bank, you can do that by simply tapping on withdraw to bank. So for example, you could withdraw from Payoneer to your local bank account, or you could transfer it to a different bank account in a different country if you want. And by tapping on banks and cards, you will also see the active cards that you have, or you'll be able to request a prepaid card. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by tapping on Business Network right here, this is where you'll be able to integrate different stores or different accounts, for example, Amazon or so on. So if I were to tap on companies you work with, I'll be redirected to this page, and you can see Amazon right there. If I would like to search for other companies, I can do that by simply going back. I could simply tap on Store Manager right here. After I tapped on Store Manager, you can see connect your Amazon stores to Payoneer. So I could tap on Get Started, and that's how you'll be able to connect your Amazon account. I can also refer friends and get a commission. In fact, I'll be leaving a referral link in the description that I would appreciate if you were to click on when you're signing up. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.